mixed vegetable curry recipe. In a kadhai, take 4 spoons of oil. Add 2 small cut onions and ginger garlic paste also. Fry them well. Meanwhile, in a mixer, take few cashews and 3 spoons of grated coconut. Mix it, add some water and make a fine paste. After the onions turn translucent, add 1 chopped tomato. Fry them until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Here I have used Sasyam Garam Masala powder. It is hand pounded powder. It tastes good. I found it very nice. Add 2 spoons of Garam Masala powder and 2 spoons of chili powder. Fry it well. We have boiled 6 small sized potatoes, small sized cauliflower and 2 fists of fresh green peas, adding some salt. Add this to the fried onions. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of salt. Also add the cashew and coconut paste. Add required amount of water and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Mixed vegetable curry is ready to be served. They taste awesome with hot dosas and chapatis.